On February 8, 2022, our community will vote on the replacement of the expiring Educational Programs and Operations Levy. This is a replacement levy, not a new tax. The Education Levy helps bridge the gap to cover costs not fully funded by state or federal dollars, such as critical staff, including nurses and counselors, as well as special education and safety and security costs. For example, the state funds just over 3 nurses for our entire school district. Levy funding provides for approximately 9 additional nurses, all to support our nearly 20,000 students. In addition, levy funding is also essential for district safety and security programs not funded by the state or federal government. The state pays for $400,000 in safety and security costs, and the district must fund the additional $4.4 million for these critical programs. The Education Levy also provides funding for elective classes and enrichment programs, like summer school, early learning, elementary dual language, choice programs, and more. With the previously approved levy expiring at the end of 2022, the district is asking for a replacement of the 2018 levy. The proposed renewal levy rate is an increase of 27 cents per $1,000 assessed value. This is not a new tax. This levy makes up about 14% of Everett Public Schools' general fund revenue. If the levy does not pass, it would mean significant reductions in programs and services for students. The levy is a continuation of our community's commitment to our schools and our investment in our children. When schools are strong, communities thrive. The election is February 8th. Please remember to vote.